In this video, you'll learn how to find feedback on eBay, allowing you to assess the reliability of sellers and buyers. Understanding feedback is crucial for making informed decisions on the platform. Start by visiting the eBay website or opening the mobile app on your device. Look for the search bar, which is typically located at the top of the screen. Enter the name of the seller or the item you want to review and press enter to initiate the search. Once the search results appear, locate the specific listing that interests you. Next, find the seller's username, which is usually displayed near the item title or in the seller information section. Click on this username to access the seller's profile page. This page contains detailed account information, including feedback ratings that indicate the seller's trustworthiness. After accessing the user profile, look for the feedback score and percentage, which are displayed near the username. Click on the feedback number to open the detailed feedback page. This page will show you the comments left by previous buyers and sellers who have completed transactions with this user. On the feedback page, you will see ratings categorized as positive, neutral, or negative. Take your time to carefully read the comments to understand other buyers' experiences with the seller. You may also find options to filter feedback by time period, allowing you to view the most recent activity. Reviewing feedback is an essential step in deciding whether a seller is trustworthy before making a purchase. By checking feedback ratings and comments, you can gain valuable insights into the seller's reputation and the quality of their service. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.